everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a freebie alert to share with you, and I've picked up some samples from Feel Unique. This is how they arrive. I've already opened it. So there's a little leaflet inside there, and there's a little invoice as well. And I'll just give you a sneak peek what I've got, but I'll go through them one by one, showing you what I received. So if you're new to Pick a Mix sample service, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I chose for July, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Feel Unique Pick a Mix service is a sample service where you're able to choose up to 5 samples for free once a month. You just pay £3.95 shipping, but once you've made an order, that £3.95 shipping will then go back onto your account, so you can use it off anything off their website. Now Feel Unique have a huge online beauty store. They do ship internationally, but unfortunately their Pick a Mix service, they only ship within the UK. Hopefully that will change in the future, because I know a lot of you are really frustrated about this. But yeah, for now it's just in the UK. Now it's not a subscription, but you do need to create an account so that you're able to sign in and choose your samples, but you're only allowed to do it once a month. So say for instance you choose your samples on the 1st of July, you will not be able to choose any more samples until the 1st of August. I'll add a direct link to the Pick a Mix service in my description. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click on that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. But it can be quite difficult to find. Now once you're on the Pick a Mix sample page, you'll be able to choose what sort of items you would like. So you could choose makeup, skincare, hair care, or what I do, I just look at everything. Now there is around, I don't know, 13 to 15 different pages, and if you have a laptop or a desktop computer, then you will have a better experience, meaning you'll be able to see the sizes clearly as opposed to doing it on your mobile, because they don't always show the sizes or the samples that you'll get, because some samples have been amazing sizes, and you know, they're free. They are free. We've had NARS bronzers and mascaras and blushes in the past, Charlotte Tilbury products as well. Now there's no set date when they release the samples, they just release them now and again all throughout the month. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down below, but let's get on to showing you what I chose. So the first item I got is this rather large for a sample, 50 mils. It's a micellar water. Now this is made in France, and this is by the brand Mistela. It's for normal skin, and it's got infant here. I didn't realise this until now. It doesn't matter. It completely doesn't matter, because I'm going to give this to my daughter. But it's for babies. My daughter's 14, so far from being a baby. But it says here that this is a no-rinse cleansing water for face and diaper area, and it cleans and softens, and it can be used from birth onwards. So she has quite sensitive skin, so maybe this will help her. She's getting into a cleansing routine quite well. She cleanses her face in the morning, but when she goes to bed she just uses micellar water, which is fine, you know. She's young, she doesn't have to do a rigid routine like what I do. Not that you have to anyway, it's just preference, isn't it? But I'm trying to teach her about skincare, looking after her skin, but I don't want to bombard her with everything, you know, and I certainly don't want her being a 14-year-old having like a 5-6 step, you know, skincare routine. Nah. No. So anyway, when she goes to bed, she likes to use micellar water. Yeah, so I thought this might be nice for her, but I didn't realise babies could use it as well. So, so I don't know anything about it. There might be a big range from this brand on the Feel Unique website. So there's the first one, but it's a nice size, isn't it? 50 mils. That is a really nice, like, sort of travel size. Next I got a cleanser, and this is by CeraVe, and this is a smoothing cleanser, and this is 20 mils. That would be quite nice for one of us in the family to use. I'll pop it down in the bathroom. So there's that. Next I got a foundation, and I wanted to try this for a while. This is the Touche Éclat, and this is by Yves Saint Laurent. It just says Awakening Foundation, Weightless Radiance, Flawless Coverage, SPF 22, and there's 5 mils here. I'll just open up and show you. There's lots of different shades on the Feel Unique website. I'm not sure if they have every single shade, but I went for Cool Porcelain, so BR10. I thought that would be really nice to give it a go. I love the Yves Saint Laurent All Hours foundation. Oh my gosh, it is amazing. If I'm going anywhere where I know I have to have my makeup spot on from morning to evening, that is the foundation I opt for. Or if I'm going out for the night with hot and sweaty, that is the foundation I opt for. It's more of a higher coverage foundation, but it's perfect for sort of people my age and younger. It doesn't really matter, but I just think that it's nice. I wanted to try this because this is a lighter foundation and it'd be interesting to see the difference. And if I love it, then I'll go on to buy the full size, depending on the cost. So is that. Then I got a Bumble and Bumble Sumo Tech Flexible Low Shine Cream Solid, and this is 7 mils. So this is for your hair. It's a balm for your hair. It smells absolutely gorgeous. So I thought I'd give that to my husband. You can see there? A Flexible Low Shine Cream Solid. It's like a hair putty type product, you know? So there's that. Next I've got a shampoo. Now this is a little bit weird because look at it, it's fluid. It is a watery shampoo. Can you see? Can you see in there? Can you see? By Bioderma. This is 10 mils and it says a mild shampoo for all skin types. It says respects the hair and scalp balance, shine and suppleness, good tolerance, lather, rinse and repeat the operation, daily use. So yeah, I've never tried like a liquid shampoo before, so I thought that might be interesting to give a go. So those are all the samples that I chose for this month, so I'll just gather them all up and here they are. They're all free. They are all free. I really love this service and I'm going to continue getting samples until they stop doing them. So I am really chuffed to this. So I've got a shampoo, a hair putty balm, I've got a micellar water, foundation, and I've got a cleanser as well. I'm really chuffed with it. I think I've chosen some really lovely samples this month, as well as Feel Unique doing the pick and mix sample service. They also do another service called the Beauty Kit, which is very similar, but it's a little bit more expensive. I think it costs £12.95 and then you pay the shipping on top, but then you get that shipping credited back onto your account, just like the pick and mix. But the samples are a little bit different, as in they tend to be bigger and more higher value. It's definitely worth checking it out, but also there seems to be a bit of a crossover between the two, as in I saw a perfume recently that was in the pick and mix and it was also in the beauty kit as well. So if you're looking at the beauty kit and you fancy having a few of those samples, then check out the pick and mix just in case, you know, it could be there, and obviously you'd be getting it for free then, isn't it? So yeah, so as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of my choices? Have you chosen any samples yet this month? How do they compare? Or are you watching this wondering whether this is a service for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.